Hello again, and welcome back to Aegis Armors. This 2002 Pontiac Trans Am was an interesting project for us as we had to deviate from our normal process. The car had been sitting for a long time and most of the paint was in good condition, but was heavily oxidized. Jeff and the crew over at Carolina Auto Masters did the mechanical build on the car, beefing up the stock motor with ported heads, custom camshaft and valve train upgrades, induction and exhaust mods as well. After they finished up, the owners were trying to decide if they should just paint the entire car or just the hood along with the front and rear bumpers. Jeff recommended they give us a call to evaluate the condition of the paint. The car was brought over and we determined that overall, the paint just needed restoration. To start, we did a full 2-stage paint correction, followed up with polishing to bring the gloss level up. Customers then picked up the car in an enclosed trailer and delivered it to the paint shop so they could match the restored paint and apply to the hood and bumpers. Once completed, the car was stored inside the enclosed trailer for 3 months to allow the solvents to escape and the paint to fully cure. While we were waiting for the car to come back, the owners picked up a set of 17 by 9 inch wheels that replicated the late 70s Trans Am wheels. We chemically stripped them, media blasted them, and applied a single stage powder coat in gloss black. Once completed, we applied our Aegis Armors heavy duty wheel ceramic coating to the entire wheel inside and out. Once the paint was fully cured, we got the vehicle back and applied our Aegis Armors 5-year plus heavy-duty ceramic coating to all the exterior paint and door jambs. The final step was to polish out the glass on the car and apply our Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating. Now the car looks as great as it performs and is super easy to maintain. Mostly able to do no-touch washes, which minimizes the chance of micro-scratching the surfaces. If you have a car, truck, or motorcycle and are interested in ceramic coating, give us a call at 336-570-9790 or stop by our shop in Burlington for a free assessment and quote.